Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by fixing the fastest yield bottlenecks: soil, light, and placement. Start now by loosening compacted soil and mixing 1/3 compost into the top 6 inches. This improves aeration and nutrient release immediately. Once done, position sun-loving crops where they get 6+ hours and tuck shade plants out of direct noon sun. Make sure to group by water needs to avoid over- or underwatering later. This simple step prevents early lag, and you now move into steady, attentive care to eliminate growth slowdowns. Water deeply once or twice weekly so roots grow down instead of staying shallow. Probe soil with your finger to time it. Then feed with a balanced 10-10-10 or a slow-release formula at transplant to maintain steady nutrient availability. Make sure to apply 2-3 inches of mulch to retain moisture and cut weed competition. Once mulch is set, plants spend energy on growth rather than recovery or stress. You complete the process by preparing plants to thrive and learning to troubleshoot quickly. Harden off seedlings over 7-10 days with increasing sun and wind so they don't stall when planted out. After that, prune only to remove dead material and improve airflow. Overpruning causes stress and lag. If growth still lags, inspect roots for compaction, look for pests, and test for NPK deficiency. Treat the specific cause rather than guessing, and the garden will recover much faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.